I know. Then Lisa, but she calling him, fussing at mama and doing all acting crazy. I'm like, what mama gonna do? It's all on herself.
That ain't Momo couldn't do it.
I know, Momo ain't did nothing.
I don't know why she keep calling me.
I mean, what does she want? What you gonna say?
What I'm saying, I can't do that.
And at least she fussing at mom and said, I did that and this and this. I told Lisa, I said, let her try to do something to mom or something. I'm gonna bust upside her head.
What did she do?
She ain't calling nobody but mama. I guess she calling you.
And me? What she calling me for?
Like you gon' like.
I ain't got to be on her side either. I don't got time to do it.
I know
I ain't got to answer my phone call. I don't want to get on that.
That's what I told him. I said, I don't want to do this.
Stop calling me because I ain't gonna answer.
When I got the baby, I said, I don't want to do this. This mess up the family. And then he said, well, you know this, you got to do it because Bobby ain't going to never stop. He said, she been doing that, but now y'all can see it. And when people start saying something about it, she's so used to doing it, she don't want to do right.
Right.
I said, well, I just didn't want to mess up the family like that, but she should know better. That's just retarded. Everybody, she had a whole...
Stop calling Mama because Mama ain't answering my phone.
That's what I told her. I said, Mama don't know nothing. Mama, she tell Mama all that stupid stuff today, and Mama ain't gonna remember none of it tomorrow.
Right.
That's why Mama's sick, worrying about her money. So it answered. See what she told. Said, look, Bobby, you had all that time to do what you had to do, but now I can't do nothing for you. Yeah, this I ain't got time for that. I got my own. Yeah. So I got my own lane.
I ain't got nothing to do with that. I got my own stuff to worry.
You had your chance. You should have did it right. Yeah. Ain't nobody was worrying about it until Mama started complaining, saying Bobby and this, Bobby and that. You know, I didn't even want to mess with that, but I got tired of Mama calling me crying about her money. Shoot. Nobody else. I asked Lurs, asked Dennis. I'm like, oh no, I don't want to do it. Well, who else was there?
Right.
That ain't nobody. I just want to tell you that.
I think something going on. She keep calling.
Why she keep calling you?
She called me one time, but she called me. Remember I told her she called me, was it yesterday or the other day?
She called you yesterday and today? She called you today too?
Yeah, she called me. Before that lady called me, she had called me. No, while I was on the phone with her. She called me right after you called me, I think.
All she was told, you ain't my family anymore. Y'all ain't my family. Shut up.
I'm gonna talk to you later when I get home.
All right, bye.
All right.
She gotta get out of the street. Go. You saw that?
What?
That cop trying to make that lady get out of the way. The cop. He made her do that because she was in the way.
The cop's too
Dumb. I have a wreck trying to get the Wendy's. Yeah, I gotta go first. She should have been stopped. I told her, been fussing about this from way back. So now, ain't nothing nobody could do. Calling Dennis. Well, ain't no damn thing he could do. None of them. My money gonna be staying right where it's supposed to be. Why is she worried about that anyway? She should have